Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Easy English channel. We are so happy to see you. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emily. To be honest, I'm feeling a little bit tired today. My eyes feel heavy and I have very low energy.
Oh, no, Paul. I can see that. Why are you so tired? Did you stay up late working again?
Yes, I did. I was studying a new project and answering emails until midnight. Sometimes it is very hard to keep going when the work is difficult.
I understand. We all have those days where we feel like we are running out of gas. And that is actually our topic for today. When you feel tired, don't give up.
That is a very important topic for our community. Many of our listeners are studying English every day, and sometimes they feel tired or even frustrated because it takes time to see progress.
Exactly. Learning a language is like a long race, like a marathon. It is not a short run. It is normal to feel slow sometimes. Before we start, listeners, if you need some energy today, please remember to subscribe and give us a like.
Yes, share this with your friends who need some motivation. Okay, Emily, let's talk about the word tired. We use it a lot, but what are some other ways to say we have no energy?
Good question. When you are very, very tired, maybe after a 10-hour workday, you can say, I'm exhausted.
Exhausted. That's a strong word. For example, I feel exhausted after a long day at the office with no breaks. It means my body and my mind are finished.
Another common phrase is, I'm beat. It means the same thing, but it's more casual and very common in daily conversation. For example, I just finished cleaning the whole house. I'm beat.
I like that one. It sounds very natural. I'm beat. So, Emily, when you feel beat or exhausted, do you ever want to give up on your big goals?
Of course. Everyone feels that way at some point. Last year, I started learning how to play the piano. In the beginning, it was fun, but after 2 months, it became very difficult. My fingers were slow, the music was complicated, and I couldn't remember the notes.
That sounds frustrating. What did you do? Did you stop playing?
I really wanted to. I told myself, maybe I am not good at music. Maybe I should just quit. I felt like giving up every single morning. But then I stopped and remembered why I started. I loved the sound of the piano, and I wanted to play my favorite songs for my family.
That is key, remembering your why. Listeners, why are you learning English? Is it to get a better job? Is it for travel? Or is it to talk to new friends around the world?
When you feel tired, think about that reason. It gives you a little bit of power back. Paul, what do you do when the work is hard and you want to quit?
Well, I have a special rule. I usually tell myself, take a break, don't quit. There's a big difference between resting and stopping forever.
That's a great point. If you are tired, learn to rest, not to quit. If you quit, you lose all your progress. But if you rest, you come back stronger. Sometimes a 15-minute nap, a glass of water, or a quick walk outside to breathe fresh air can change your whole mood.
Exactly. Also, I use the small steps method. If I have a big project or a 300-page book to read, I don't try to finish it all in one day. That's too much. I tell myself, Paul, just read 2 pages today.
2 pages is easy. It doesn't feel scary or overwhelming.
Right. For our English learners, maybe you can't study grammar for 2 hours today because you are beat. That's okay. Just listen to this podcast for 10 minutes or learn 3 new words. That is still a win.
I love that. A win is a win, no matter how small. Now, let's look at some encouraging phrases you can say to yourself or to your friends when they are struggling.
One common phrase I like is keep it up.
Yes, keep it up means continue doing the good work. If your friend is practicing English, you can say, your pronunciation is getting better. Keep it up.
Another one is don't give up. It's simple, direct, and very powerful. It means don't stop trying.
And my favorite is one step at a time. This phrase reminds us to be patient. You don't need to be perfect today. You just need to take one step.
One step at a time. I use that when I exercise at the gym. When I'm tired, I say, just one more minute, just one more step.
Let's talk about some grammar here to help our listeners explain their feelings. We often use the words because and so to show reasons and results.
Right. Because gives the reason. For example, I am tired because I stayed up late. The reason is staying up late.
And so shows the result. I stayed up late, so I am tired today.
Listeners, try to practice this. You can say, I'm happy because I understood this podcast.
Or, English is a bit difficult, so I practice every day. It's a great way to make your sentences longer and more descriptive.
Very good. Now, Emily, let's give some final practical tips for our friends when they feel like quitting their English studies.
Tip number 1, change your environment. If you always study at your kitchen table and you feel bored or sleepy, go to a park or a colorful coffee shop. A new place gives you new energy.
Tip number 2, use music. Music is a great teacher. If books feel too heavy, find an English song you love. Look at the lyrics and sing along. It helps your ears and your speaking, and it's fun. And tip number 3, don't be afraid of mistakes. This is the most important one. Mistakes are not bad. They're proof that you are trying and moving forward.
I love that. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. If you never make a mistake, it means you are only doing easy things. To grow, you must try hard things and fail sometimes.
That is so true. I make mistakes in my Spanish all the time. Sometimes I say the wrong word and people laugh, but I just laugh with them and try again. It's part of the journey.
That's the spirit. So let's review the main ideas we talked about today.
We learned words for being very tired, like exhausted and beat.
We talked about the importance of resting versus quitting. Remember, it's okay to take a break.
We learned to take small steps. Don't look at the mountain, just look at your feet and take one step.
And we learned encouraging phrases like keep it up, don't give up, and one step at a time.
Most importantly, remember your why. Your reason for starting is the fuel that keeps your engine running.
We are so proud of you for listening to this whole episode. Even if you didn't understand every word, you stayed until the end. That is a huge success.
Yes, you didn't give up on this lesson, and that proves you have what it takes to learn English.
Now, we have a question for you. When you feel tired or stressed, what is one small thing that helps you feel better?
Do you drink a hot cup of tea? Do you listen to your favorite music? Or do you talk to a friend? Tell us in the comments.
We love reading your stories and learning from you. Thank you for spending these minutes with us on the Easy English channel.
Don't give up, everyone. You're doing better than you think.
See you in our next video. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.